Okay, I am actually recording these steps and keeping. So, first step is you will have to create a sequence, then the message box. Okay, the next is you have to create the variables. The variables are input file, output file, row data, then DT sample data, that is the data table, and the path to the files. Okay. Okay, now the first few steps are very. Pardon? नहीं वो सीक्वेंस
ये क्या सबमिट करनी है मैंने कुणाल का सही करवाया मैंने मेरे साथ का पसंद करना उसने मैंने गलत जगह पे चेंज किया मैंने अपने उसी जगह मंगाया किया
the variables. We'll have to create the variables. The variable. DT sample data, row data. We are using the Excel scope, the Excel method, data table from the Excel sheet. Okay. So we are using this one. So we will have to use the Excel scope.
Yes, now they do. Yes. Yes.
Scope. Yep. See, I'm doing this cell scope.
करा सकते हैं ये तो फुट Wait,
Fine. We are doing the read range activity here. This one. Okay. Read range. And where do we need to read the data table from? Use variable. Okay. After that, we are in the step 4, loop through the data table and extract content. So now we are recording this particular step here. Okay, so for each we will have to use that activity. For each, go in the data table. What is that? This is the data table. Okay, and what is the each row name? The row name is row. Okay, next what we need to do? We have to assign. Sorry, we will have to use this. We will have to use the assign activity to extract each cell's value, store it in the variable, this one, row data. So that's what I'm doing over here. I'm using an assign statement. Assign. Where am I assigning to? I'm assigning to, oh, okay, that particular variable is not created. So I have to go ahead and create in the data manager. Let me go to data manager, create that variable, row data. Okay. Scope, anyway, we will have to increase the scope to sequence. It is better. I don't know why. Okay. Here is the use variable, row data. Okay. And what do I need to do? Oh, sorry. And what do I need to assign it to? Let's just copy the expression which is given over here, and then let's go to row data. Let me copy it. I think there is some issue with this particular this thing. So I am going to manually join all the strings. Okay. So what is that? Row name plus the separator. What is the separator? Your choice. I am using this one. Sorry, I am using this one plus row. Then I'm going to put what name and maybe city. Okay, you have to make sure that your these names over here matches the thing, matches the Excel sheet. Okay, so here the name is with capital N and city with capital C. You have to make sure, otherwise it will not happen. Again, let me go back here. What happened? Why is it complaining? Name is not okay. Name is not declared. Why name is not declared? It is sample data. Or do we have to put it in quotes? I think we'll have to put it in quotes. Constrict on private operand. Oh, sorry. Row data is equal to this. Oh, AM as raw data. Why it is not coming? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video, go back and check what did I do last night and then come back. Okay, the mistake over here is this has to be made into two string. I think that's what we were not doing. That's why we were having this issue over here. Okay, so let me go back now to the screen recording. Hey guys, I'm doing screen recording. So please mind your language. Otherwise, it'll come in the YouTube. See, this has to be two string. See, with that, the error actually went away. Then let us go and check what is there in the next step. You'll have to log the message. There are two or three ways of doing it. They have logged the data in log message. I am actually using a write line method. It's much easier, much more visible. Yes. So 5 minutes I can go and live here. Yeah, I'm recording going on. Yes. So recording is going on. So you're just 1 second. Okay, right line, raw data. Just write the raw data over here. There is also another method which is shown over here. Write to a text file. Let's do that also. We are going to write the raw data. So there is two method, write file and append file. Write file is actually will write overwrite. So what we have to change is change this one into append. Okay, append line actually. Output file. No, sorry, this is the other way around. And what do I have to write? I have to write the raw data. Okay. So this will actually ensure that the lines are getting appended. Now, if you see over here, there is no output file is actually mentioned over here. We will have to go ahead and create one output file.